Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench with version 2 of the old hide glue, the old brown glue test. If you recall, back in the other video, the glue joint failed. So I added more glue. Okay, we got more glue. And seems like it's holding. Let's shave away any of that excess glue. And let's see. It's holding pretty good. Let's put a little bit of English on it. So for right now, I'm going to say it's holding. Before I give it the ultimate test, we'll let it sit another day or two or three. So, on to a question. Do you or someone you know have access to some Port Orford cedar or Alaskan yellow cedar? I would love to get some in here for when I do my super fine plane shaving demonstrations. Eastern white pine is nice, but it's pitchy. Basswood works okay, but I have this one here. I don't have a whole heck of a lot. And I could get some basswood locally. And basswood does demonstrate nicely. It's a tight grain, but I would love to get some Port Orford cedar or Alaskan yellow cedar. And it doesn't have to be big pieces. Ideally, my vise is 17 inches, so something around 18 to 20 inches long would be nice so that I can get a nice shaving, maybe a little longer. As far as what, a 2x4, 2x6, the only caveat is it needs to be straight grain and clear. So that's why I'm a short offcut off of a project. It can be a 1x in the rough. It can be a 2x in the rough. It can be 5/4. I don't care. So if you have access to those woods, and yes, I know they're actually not cedar. They're more likely, the yellow cedar is a little closer, but the Port Orford I know is in the cypress family. So we'll see what happens with this. I may hand plane the surface a little bit just to see what I can do. Like, subscribe, and share. Write to me in the comments section. Walter out.